Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Have you ever considered cladding a building using LuxeLine's composite cladding for walls and floors? LuxeLine eco-friendly Shiplap panels are suitable for both residential and commercial buildings, refining the exterior spaces of any structure. Each plank is expertly engineered from a durable blend of recycled wood fibres and plastics that features a solid composite core encased by a protective polymer shell. They're quick and easy to install, delivering an outstanding resistance to weathering, fading and moisture. The classic Shiplap profile, paired with a deep 3D texture, creates the rich, natural appearance of walnut wood, while benefiting from composite technology, long-term durability and performance. For further information on LuxeLine's DIY-friendly cladding, head over to the Walls and Floors website, wallsandfloors.co.uk.